8th Standard History First Lesson Sources. Answer the following questions in brief. First question: how do historians write history? Historians collect the sources, subject them to critical examination, analysis, and then write the history. When our direct sources are not available, they need to make assumptions based on the available sources. Second question: what is the meaning of source? How many types are there? The materials needed for the writing of history are sources. These sources can be divided into two. First one, literary sources. Second one, archaeological sources. Third question: name any two native literary works. Kautilya's Arthashastra, Hala's Gatha Saptashati. Fourth question: name any two foreign writers. Faiyaz, Huansang. Fifth question: which source has more reliability for writing history? Answer is inscription source has more reliability for writing history. Question number 6. Explain the importance of coins in the writing of history. Though the coins are small in shape, they contain many important aspects. They are helpful in understanding the geographical extent of the ruler's kingdom who minted the coins. Next point: they also aid us in knowing the language of administration, titles that the kings possessed their religion, economic condition of the times, metal technology in vogue of the particular kingdoms. These are all the importance of coins in the writing of history. Question number 7. What are the aspects on which monuments throw more light? Answer: the monuments throw light on then contemporary religious aspects. Technology, economic growth, scientific knowledge, creativity achieved, These are all the aspects on which monuments throw more light. Last question. By what method the age of biological fossils can be decided? Answer is by applying carbon-14 dating procedure, the age of biological fossils can be decided. These are all 8